Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to earn Temu credit. All right, let's begin. First, open your Temu account and go to the homepage. Tap on the U button, scroll down, and select Settings. Make sure your country and region are set to the United States, and the currency is set to USD, as this offer is only available in the United States. Next, go back to the homepage and tap on Play and Earn. At the top, you will see an option for 5 free gifts, but we are focusing on Temu credit. Scroll down and tap on Earn Credits. The goal is to collect 100 diamonds to receive $10 in Temu credit. To earn diamonds, you need to invite new app users to download Temu. Tap on Invite New App Users at the bottom and choose Copy Link or Copy Code. If you select the link, people can join directly through it. If you choose the code, they must enter it in the Temu search bar. Share your referral on social media or with friends and family to collect enough referrals. Once you have earned enough diamonds, you can redeem your $10 Temu credit and use it for any purchase on Temu. So that's basically how you can earn Temu credit. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!